Multiplication. Introduction and short multiplication. Multiplication is shown by the times sign. It's really a way of doing repeated addition. So 2 multiplied by 3 is the same as 2 written down 3 times and the 2's added together. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. The answer, 6, is the same if you swap the numbers around and have 3 written down twice and added together. 3 plus 3 equals 6. A diagram will make this clear. Here are 6 circles. You can think of this diagram as 3 columns with 2 circles in each. But you can also think of the diagram as 2 rows, each with 3 circles. There are several words which mean the same as multiply. Times, as in 2 times 3, by, as with 2 by 3, or lots of, as in 2 lots of 3. They all mean 2 multiplied by 3. It speeds things up a lot if you know your times tables, but some people find it helpful to use a 10 by 10 grid, also known as a multiplication square. Here is how to use a multiplication square to find 3 times 4. Look down on the left as far as the 3 row, and then look along the top as far as the 4 column. Where these two lines meet is the answer, 12. We will start with short multiplication. This is multiplying by numbers up to and including 9. Here are 3 examples of short multiplication. 21 times 4. Starting in the units column, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that's the answer, 84. Here's the next example, 243 times 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 2 is 4. 486. The third example is 102 times 3. 3 2's are 6. 3 lots of nothing is nothing. And 3 times 1 is 3. The answer is 306. Here is another example. 17 times 4. 4 7's are 28. So we write the 8 part of the 28 in the units column, and we carry a little 2 into the tens column. This represents 20. 4 times 1 is 4. Add the little 2 we just carried, making 6. So the answer to 17 times 4 is 68. Here are 2 more examples with carrying. 26 times 7. 7 times 6 is 42. Write down the 2 and carry a little 4 into the tens column. 7 times 2 is 14. Add the little 4 you've just carried, making 18. You write the 8 in the tens column and put the 1 digit in the hundreds column. So the answer is 182. The last example is 305 times 9. To work this out, first you do 9 times 5. That's 45. Write the 5 down in the units column and carry a little 4 into the tens column. 9 times 0 is 0. Add the little 4, so the answer is 4, which you put in the tens column. Now 9 times 3. That's 27. Put the 7 in the hundreds column and write the 2 in the thousands column. So the answer is 2,745. Notice that for multiplying, just like adding and subtracting, you always start in the units column.